Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your slides to your Google Drive on the Google Slides application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now select that one document that you would like to move to your drive. All you have to do is tapping on the three dots icon next to the title of your chosen document. Now scroll down till you find this Add Shortcut to Drive option and click on it. Then tap on My Drive and click on the button Add down below in the right corner. So now your shortcut has been added to your drive. So if you go back to this page, then you should tap on the map icon at the top of the screen, tap on My Drive, and here all of the documents will appear to you that you have added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.